Pakistan cricket star Shoaib Malik married popular Pakistani actor Sana Javed amid rumors of his separation with former India tennis player Sania Mirza. Shoaib Malik took to social media to share photos from their wedding ceremony on Saturday, January 20. Shoaib Malik and Sana Javed were rumored to be dating, and the Pakistan cricketer added fuel to fire when he wished the Pakistani actor on her birthday last year. "Happy birthday, buddy," Shoaib Malik had written, sharing a photo of them together on his Instagram page. Sana Javed also shared photos from their wedding ceremony on social media on Saturday. Fans of the star cricketer were taken aback as rumors of his separation with Sania Mirza had dominated headlines on both sides of the border. Notably, Shoaib Malik had divorced Aisha Siddiqui in 2010 before marrying tennis star Sania Mirza later that year. Notably, Sana Javed also changed her name in the bio of her Instagram account, making it Sana Shoaib Malik. Sana Javed was married to singer Umar Jaswal from 2020, and the duo divorced in 2023. Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza were not vocal about their private lives, even as speculations were about their separations. Sania Mirza only on Wednesday shared a cryptic post sparking rumors of her divorce with Shoaib Malik. Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza married in a traditional Muslim ceremony in Hyderabad, India in 2010, followed by a walima ceremony in Sialkot, Pakistan. Izan, the couple's first child, was born in 2018. Notably, the rumors died down a bit when Sania Mirza and Shoaib Malik celebrated their son's birthday in Dubai last year. Sania and Shoaib put the rumors to rest when they hosted the Mirza Malik TV show together from Dubai. However, the rumors resurfaced last year when Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza made changes to their bios on their social media handles. In August 2023, Shoaib Malik changed his Instagram bio from husband to a superwoman Sania Mirza to simply father to one true blessing. Notably, both Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza seem to have removed photos of them together from each of their social media handles. Well, that's it for now. That's it from this update.